Hi friends, welcome. Hi friends, welcome or welcome back to Dating My Budget. My name is Nita and I'm on a journey to becoming a financial warrior. I'm giving myself financial options with the help of zero-based budgeting, the cash envelope system, and savings challenges. And today is another episode of Wait a Minute Wednesdays, where we stuff any dollar amount with 2 dice. The 6-sided dice tells us which challenge to stuff, and the 8-sided dice tells us how much to give it. Today I reversed the order 6 through 1. So let's count and see what we have. And that is 5, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 28. And I think I'll put the cash on this side today. So how's it going? How y'all doing? February is about to wrap up. What you got going on for March? On my calendar, nothing much other than St. Patty's Day. That's it. All right, let's see. And before we start, let me just have this quick little conversation. I need y'all to play. So we got challenge 3 for 8. Here we go again. Challenge 1 and 3 was the only players last week. Or let me say the challenge that was in position 1 and 3. Okay. Challenge 4 for 5. Challenge 6 for 6. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. What we have left over? 1, 2, 4, 6, 8, 9. Okay. Five for 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And so that means we have $4 left. I'm gonna remove the 8-sided dice and see. I'll roll 4 times, so we got give the envelopes 4 opportunities. Challenge 6. 1. 3. And come on, 2. 2. Everybody got something. Kind of had to cheat a little bit or switch it up. So we know, I think the winner is here. I might be wrong though. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So got 7 here. Oh no, this is our winner. Challenge 4 for 9. Got 5, and I think this might be 5 too. Yeah. So we will go in the order smallest to largest. This one, we can't do anything. Everything here is $2. So we're just going to tuck this in the back and be partially prepared for the next stuffing. Here, we can do something. And that's what I love by having the challenges that have a variety of numbers. Usually there's no rollover. We have 1 remaining. We're gonna color that blue. Okay, so I will. Okay, we got 3 and 2. Let's do that. I like to keep my cash in order. So all right. Dropping all Sharpies or markers. And just double check, there's 5 here. Yeah, let's just do another 5. Challenge 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We have 7, and then I think this is 2. One shy away from doing a 10. So we can do 1, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And that leaves us with 4 for the next time. And our last one. Ooh, that's perfect. So we had 9 for the win, and 1 rolled over. Gives us a total of 10. And we can do 2 more. Hey. I think this was the color. Yeah. All right, and that does it for Wait a Minute Wednesday. I hope you have an awesome remainder of the week. And I shall chat with you guys Friday. Bye, you guys.